What's good, Stush gang? It's your girl Stushy back with another video. It's your girl. What's up, y'all? I'm back today to create a brand new Valentine's Day look for you guys, including 2 lippies. If you are new, welcome to the gang, girl, and for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. We are happy to have you back to check out another video. If you are new, however, if you're new, be sure to click that subscribe button, girl. We want to see you coming back. We want to make sure you're a part of the gang. I mean, you're here now, you might as well. Ain't nothing else going on. And click that like button if you like the video at the end. And also at the end, be sure to let me know what lip was your favorite in the comments. So, without further ado, enjoy the video. Hey you. Okay, so in an effort to save time, I'm going to do one eye on camera and the other one off camera. I'm going to be flip-flopping between my Violet Voss palette in hashtag and my Magic Mini palette from Juvia's place. I'm first gonna go in with the color Savage from my Violet Voss palette, this one right here. I'm using this color as a transitional shade and I'm going in very lightly. I've already started to apply it right in my brow bone area, almost blending it a little bit down into my crease as well. And with my Magic Mini palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Koji, this one right here, and I'm gonna pop that right in the crease. That's Koji, and we're just blending it out. We're blending it actually up into the brow bone where we put our transitional shade. And I'm going back with the brush that I use for my transitional shade and just making sure that everything looks seamless. I'm now going to cut the crease with some concealer. I'm going to pack Koji on my outer V. Now I'm going to go in with these two. Going in with this brush that I used initially with Koji, trying to work those two. I'm also going to go into my Fenty Beauty Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule Hillawatt, and I'm going to use Ginger Binge, which is this one right here, and put that on top. So I'm going with a fine detail brush and I'm going to go in and go slightly above my cut crease with Koji. And then I'm going back with the same brush that I used for my transitional shade and blending it out. And now I'm making sure that these two merge together. So I'm using Koji and I'm just blending those two together. Hopefully there aren't any lines of demarcation, so that's why I'm blending these two. Now I'm going to do everything that I did up top underneath. So I'm going to first apply the orange that I use for my transitional shade right underneath. Then I'm going to go in with Koji and blend that out. Okay, now I'm gonna apply a black wing. Whoo, child, I'm gonna have to start doing wings again, girl, because they're giving me a run for my money. Ain't nobody got time for that. Put white liner in my waterline. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. Let me do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. These are the eyes up close. Let's zoom out. Okay, gang, so I'm actually gonna be doing 2 lips for you guys. I already added some highlight. For today's highlight, I actually used a mix of Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge. Yes, I'm gonna go in with this limited edition. It's a mauve color. It's called Pamela, and this was a matte collaboration with Brook Candy, and I'm gonna apply that on the lip. And then I'm gonna go in with a lighter pink color. This is also from MAC. This is Fashion Whim. This was a limited edition color as well. I'm sorry, this is from their Nutcracker collection. It's almost finished actually, and I'm gonna pop it right in the middle. That's cute. Your girl stands for a glossy lip, but I honestly think that the next lip with the look is gonna be a vibe. But hold up, I gotta take a picture for Snapchat, because girl, all my social media is the Stush Life. So if you haven't already followed me on social media, be sure to do that. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, add your girl. For my next lip, I'm going to be using this red lipstick from Miss Riri herself, because you know she's the goat. And this is RIRI WOO. I don't know where my red lip liner is, but I'm gonna finesse. Those are the 2 lips that I decided to do for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It took me a little while to do this video because I was doing a whole lot of other stuff in addition to filming. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. That way I know you guys enjoyed today's video. And please, y'all been watching, but y'all haven't been commenting. I need y'all to comment. I want to build a rapport with you guys. So comment down below and let me know which lip you preferred and if you would wear this look, of course, for Valentine's Day. Also, be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the content, if you enjoyed today's video, if you enjoyed the look. That way you are part of the Stush gang. We welcome new members every single day. And also be sure to click that notification bell button. That way you're notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. And if you guys didn't already know, I've been uploading every Wednesday and every Sunday, so just to get in sync. But your girl uploads twice a week, okay? Keep that in mind. Whatever's going on Wednesday, you need to drop it. Whatever's going on Sunday, you need to drop it, okay? We are family, so you gotta make a little time for me on your Wednesdays and on your Sundays, okay? And with that being said, I want to wish you guys all a very happy Valentine's Day. If you don't have a Valentine, that's alright, boo. It's okay. Don't worry, next year might be the year. And please remember that the best love, girl, is self-love, okay? Don't let Valentine's Day define anything for you. If you don't have one, it's totally fine. It's not that big of a deal. The day, it's just one day at that. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.